800 million people use ChatGPT every single week, and now you can advertise directly inside their conversations. In February 2026, OpenAI officially launched ChatGPT Ads. This is the biggest new advertising platform since Meta and Google, and most marketers haven't even heard about it yet. Here's what makes this different. ChatGPT users convert at 14.2%. Google, just 2.8%. That's 5 times better, because these users aren't scrolling. They're actively searching for solutions. ChatGPT ads appear at the bottom of AI responses, contextually relevant, clearly labeled, and shown at the exact moment someone is making a decision. No more fighting for keywords, no more wasted impressions. In this course, you'll learn exactly how ChatGPT ads work, how to create conversational ad content that converts, how to optimize for answer engine visibility, and how to position your business before your competitors even know this exists. 10 lessons, full instructor scripts, real data, from pricing models and CPM comparisons, to step-by-step setup guides and answer engine optimization strategies. Everything a beginner needs to master ChatGPT advertising in 2026. This platform is brand new. The advertisers who learn it first will have an unfair advantage. Don't wait until everyone else figures this out. ChatGPT Ads for Beginners by Skills Booster Academy. Enroll now and get ahead of the curve. Link in the description.